One type of structured database that is very efficient for storing data is that of a relational database. In a relational database, information is broken up into organized tables with defined fields. Tables are then related to each other for the purpose of ease of data entry, querying, and reporting. Whether you use a relational database or not, you'll want to take the time to organize information so that it is stored efficiently within a database. Once a database is organized and built, tables are related, and those relationships are then used to help combine data into information that can then be disseminated through queries and reports. In this Access database with membership information for the Rustic Pines Golf Course, we have two tables that should be related: classes and signups. Relationships display in a schema, which is a map that shows how tables are related to each other. I've already gone to Database Tools and Relationships to open this window. We now see the schema for this database, and we see the two tables that should be related. The column that should be used to relate these tables is Class ID. I will drag one of the instances of the column on top of the other column instance. An Edit Relationships window appears. I will select Create to finish creating the relationship, and our schema has been updated.